versus Spider Monkey, and I'm going to be recording it. So, here we go. Here he is. And he jumps down, goes into the portal, and goes down. This is a dangerous species. He can climb a little bit on my house. That's cool. Now he's going somewhere. Where is he going? Oh, he's going into the portal. Cool. And now, no, you can't. No, pretend the camera's not there. And now he's climbing on something, and he's at me. Stop it. So, just pretend I'm not here, okay? So, he's over there. He's going down. I guess he's going down. I'm right here. So you go down, he's going down. And let's see what he can do. Oh, cool, he's jumping. He's jumping back. And now he's right behind me. And this animal, he's a endangered species. And we don't know how the species got here, but he's in our house. It's my pet. And this is the king. Yes, he's the king of all of the spider monkeys. And now he's going down the slide. Now he goes down the slide. Pretend I'm not here. He's going down the slide, and I was like this. Okay, he's angry at somebody, or he's being weird. And now he's going to the berry bush. Now he's going into my home. Now he's eating a flower. Well, now where is he going? And he breaks off the leaf. A bee's angry at him. And now he's by me. Now he's making a bridge with himself. And now he's jumping down from the portal. And he's going where the grass is. He's going where the grass is, over there. We'll meet you at the grass.